The Apple iPhone 15 marks a truly significant and major leap forward in Apple's innovative smartphone lineup so far. With its advanced features, powerful performance, and sleek design, the iPhone 15 continues to attract users seeking a premium smartphone experience. The iPhone 15 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2556 by 1179 pixels and a pixel density of 461 ppi. The display supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrast, with peak brightness reaching up to 2000 nits. It stays highly visible, even in bright sunlight. While it runs at a standard refresh rate of 60 Hz, the display quality is outstanding for watching media and everyday use. The iPhone 15 boasts a sleek design with an aluminum frame and a ceramic shield front cover, offering durability while keeping a premium feel. Weighing about 171 grams, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold. The device comes in several attractive colors: black, blue, green, yellow, and pink. The iPhone 15 introduces the dynamic island feature, which replaces the traditional notch with a pill-shaped cutout that blends notifications and interactive elements right into the display. This highly innovative and sophisticated design significantly enhances the overall user interaction by delivering instantaneous real-time updates without disrupting or interfering with whatever you're currently viewing. The iPhone 15 is powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which features a hexa-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. This chip delivers outstanding performance, enabling smooth multitasking, high-end gaming, and efficient processing of demanding apps. The dual camera system on the iPhone 15 includes a 40 megapixel main sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Notably, the iPhone 15 supports advanced video recording features, including 4K at up to 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision HDR, making it a great choice for videographers. One of the biggest changes in the iPhone 15 is the switch from the Lightning port to a USB-C charging port, making it compatible with more devices. This change not only complies with new regulations, but also allows for much faster data transfer speeds, up to 20 times faster than the previous model, and offers a more convenient charging option with universal compatibility. Equipped with a battery capacity of about 30,349 milliamp hours, the iPhone 15 delivers solid battery life that can easily last through a full day of moderate use. The device supports fast charging, up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes, and wireless charging via MagSafe up to 15 watts. In conclusion, the Apple iPhone 15 stands out as an excellent choice for users looking for a powerful smartphone with innovative features and an impressive camera system. Its combination of outstanding performance, high quality design, and helpful user friendly enhancements ensures that it remains relevant and important to this day.